Hi, I want to show you the attendance feature in Canvas. I'm in Canvas in your backyard. This is a Canvas course where I'm an instructor, and I'm looking at the course navigation menu. So on the left side of the screen, white background, very bottom, settings. Now, when you open up settings, there are 5 tabs: course details, sections, navigation, apps, feature options. That middle tab is navigation. And what we want to do, our teachers know to do, is that anytime you set up a course, you want to customize the navigation menu and you want to make it very lean for your learners. But for this video, I want to show you attendance. Now, I'm going to add attendance to my navigation menu, but kids actually won't see it. So this one works a little bit differently. But for it to work, I need to put it up here on top. Now, I can drag and drop. Alternatively, I can click the 3 dots and click Enable. So now I'm going to choose Save. Okay, so once again, kids can't see this, just the instructor. So now when I choose Attendance, sorry, give it a moment here. I'm going to see this list of everyone in the class, and this is a place where I could take attendance for an online like a meeting or something where you want to keep track of who is participating. So Kristin Bachman, if I click more on this right side, you see I have a couple options, present, absent, late, which, that's not going to pertain to online learning for us, and then unmarked. If you wanted to change the day, up in the right-hand corner, you'll see the date, the calendar feature, and you could advance. So if you needed to go back and do an attendance for a previous event. So I thought this would be interesting, just as we're thinking about attendance and, maybe tracking participation in an online meeting. I hope this is helpful. Thanks.